Hello and welcome to yet another video of Statistically Speaking with yours truly. So with this video, I just want to give a progress update of yeah, an update of the progress. This is our Trello board. This is like I've explained before, I believe if you've seen any of the previous videos, this is what helps me keep my thoughts and my tracks on track. My thoughts and my tasks, sorry. A little tongue tied there. Anyway, it seems there's a bit of a backlog here, but that's to be expected. You know, I'm kind of like this guy over here with six arms. I'm working on a project of four alone. But anyway, so let's see what I'm actually working on. Okay, I've managed to ensure that the app is able to run locally. That was one of the first things I did this week, and I've created some skeletons or for the slides. We'll have a preview of that just shortly after this. But what I'm currently working on, I'm working to update the GitHub regularly. As a matter of fact, I've sent in some commit messages. I've sent in some commits just earlier today, and the markdowns are being regularly updated. So these are probably cards that I would want to carry on throughout the project. So don't be surprised when you find these completed in the week 4 done list. So what I'm yet to do is improve the metric score from the initial submission. Okay, there's no actual submission with this project, but I do need to improve the metric score. So what I've started out doing, I've initialized a linear SVC model, which, as you can assume, gave a terrible, performed terribly against this data of ours that is clearly not linear. Anyway, now we haven't been keeping track of any hyperparameters yet. There aren't that many to keep track of thus far. But this is because of this particular backlog over here. We haven't initialized what is called a comet project. So a comet project is what will help us keep track of any hyperparameter tunings in our project or in our models. But anyway, I don't want to get into that right now. What I want to show you is the progress of this little project of ours. So I'll just start right here with the slides because yeah, I don't I don't want to show too much code because it may seem a little bit intimidating. I like to believe that the slides are a little bit friendly to yeah to everyone, regardless of regardless of your background knowledge in this industry. Hey, so I'm sure we're familiar with this page, but I've initialized several, in fact. Remember, these are just plans being set into motion, so they're more likely to change. So this is our table of contents. I don't know. I think it looks nice. It's straight to the point. So I've divided my presentation into four categories. This is mainly the introduction, the analysis, the feature engineering, and the conclusion. Of which I'm sure the conclusion should have all the attention there because it really is where I decided to put the app demonstration. But so let's see what those slides are to look like. As you can see there in the middle, there's no picture yet. I haven't put a picture in there, but I am the sole data scientist and freelancer of this project. I don't know why I put that I'm a freelancer when when I say this project is being presented by MarketWise. Anyway, yeah, you get the gist. I'll get to fix all of that. So you're going to see a whole lot of lorem ipsum text because yeah, a lot of this is eh, mainly placeholders. So like I said, most of these slides are definitely going to change, but let's skip all this because I think I have a few. Yes, my stallion. Hey. Also, actually, this graph also might change because I think the story that I want to tell with this particular graph is about the history of Bitcoin in itself. Because you see there highlighted vertically in blue was the year 20 between 2017 to 2018. So there was a spike in its price there. So eh, that is an interesting analysis. That's an interesting story to tell. There is a story behind that. And then in 2020 also, between 2020 and 2021, there was also that spike, which kind of actually didn't stop for a little while. It spilled over all the way to 2021. There's also a story in there that is quite interesting. So in that being said, the story is mainly with regards to Bitcoin itself. So I think maybe it'll work best for this visualization if I dropped the other price histories because even their shapes are not really well communicated here. In terms of scale, they're not really looking all that well. But anyway, yes, this is the gold price on a yearly average. Hey, so yeah, there's also going to be a nice interesting story there. I'm sure eh, you can already see what I may likely bring up in that particular slide. Anyway, uh, yeah, that's another slide. Feature extraction process. I'll just be explaining what features. Well, the process I use to extract the features that I would have extracted from these data sets. So this is basically one of the extracted features, I suppose. This is a partial autocorrelation plot, but don't worry. Uh, as as I delve into the project, I'll explain eh, some of these jargon, or yeah, or possibly scary, scary or intimidating phrases. Don't worry. I'll explain all of these. But yeah, essentially, this is how um, my presentation slides will be. After that, we'll be modeling and evaluating those models. Hey, I'm I'm saving that slide eh, for those evaluations. And then the application demonstration, I'm planning to have a little something like maybe a link to the demonstration itself. And then if maybe my connection is slow or something, or maybe I need to present at a particular time, to be time sensitive, I'll possibly have a short video that captures, all those sentiments that are relevant to the project. And then right after that, I'll have my conclusions and then give recommendations. And then lastly, I bid you farewell. I don't know why there's a date of 2022 June 9. Anyway, this is a template, so may have come with templates or something I need to fix. Anywho, like I said, I don't want to complicate this video with showing too much code, but whoever is interested, I'll definitely drop you my GitHub repository where I'm hosting all this, all these files, and you can delve in and have a look at all of that. But for now, uh, stay tuned for the next video with Statistically Speaking with yours truly. For now, ciao.